DS Diving Service here. We are at Lori Marie. I'll show you the name on the back when we finish up. It is March 21st, 2024. You will need shaft sinks. I'm going to swim up the port side towards the bow and come down the starboard side. I'll show you those sinks and everything else. Probably time to consider some fresh paint on here. You're not going to be happy at all with the way the sides look in the summertime. We'll be able to clean it, but it will be very dirty very quickly. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.